Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share, and play. Hi everyone, it's Jen here. I am revisiting an older video today. So I was doing a cut down for a Facebook Live that I was doing on another little local group, and it just made me think how great this particular one is. So what it is it's a teabag fold. Now, this was taught to me by Cathy, who I know through, well, the Facebook group that I help admin. It's actually Lynn's group over at Playing with Paper and Glue, and the Facebook group is also called Playing with Paper and Glue. So that's where I know Cathy. Now, she was inspired by a Creative Cafe girl. I'll make sure that links to all of those are in the description. And yeah, I just thought this was too good not to share. I'd forgotten how great this little one is, how cute it is. I'll also link the original Defemorembra video because on that one, I used a paper doily, which just gave it a bit of an extra edge. And yeah, see what you think and hope you enjoy. Take care. Here's the video.
So this is what we're going to make. It's a little tea bag and it opens up completely to do this beautiful big journaling spot. This is how you do it. Any size paper, but use a nice big sheet of A4 printer paper, and you just want to fold it just over the middle so that you can get the width of the tea bags. So see how I've only just folded it in a little bit. Then you turn it over and you fold it in half, exactly in half. So nothing terribly hard yet, and honestly, it doesn't get any harder either. So then you just fold up a little bit from the bottom. I like to fold them together, but you can just simply lay it flat and fold each individually. But anyway, this is how I did it. So I did it that way, and then I folded it really well both ways. And this is the bit that gives you the gusset in the bottom of the tea bag. So that's really cool because then you could also put other little things in it, but it's just nice because it actually looks like a real tea bag, which is so cute. So see, then you've got your little gusset, you just fold it back, and now all you got to do is fold down your little corners, and then we add a little tea tag. So I like to just pinch one side and then fold down the little triangles to make sure that they're the same size, because I generally do this with just paper. And then you use that as a guide to fold up your back, and your corners are just being folded into the middle. That's all you're doing. So isn't this, I just love this. I'm so excited to share this with you. Anyhow, I'm just doing a barrel knot, which is where you just twist it over 3 times and it makes a barrel, and I'm doing that on each end of the string. You know, it doesn't really matter how long your string is. So I'm doing that, and the nice thing is all we're doing is we're going to just staple in our string. Now on this one, which is just the prototype for you, I decided I'd just add a little decoration at the top, just a little piece of paper on both sides, and you're just stapling above your knot. So there you go, fold it all back up again, and up it goes, and then you've got your little string to put your little tea bag tag on. So I could cut that up a bit, and I folded it in half, almost, you know what I mean. I folded it about the size of the tab that I wanted. I then just, popped some little numbers that I had on either side and folded that around the string and stapled it again. Now that is your tea bag, and all you do to hold it closed is you just put a little decorative paper clip on top. Voila! How fabulous is that? All right, so now let me just take you through one more time how this folds, just to help you remember, because it really is so easy. All you do is you fold any size paper, you fold your sides in to just over that centre, and this will give you the width of your tea bag. So it doesn't have to be exact thirds, it can be rough. Then turn it over, fold it in half. Now all you're doing is you're folding your bottom edges, so you can just do that there that way if you fold them both ways, and then fold one side up, fold the other side up. Now you've formed your gusset at the bottom, and now all you're doing is you're folding your corners. So you can pinch and fold your corners the same width, or you can just kind of guess. Fold your corners into the inside. And then the final thing that you do is you just staple on your actual T tag, little label tag. So open up a little section, knot your string, staple in your little T tag. You can add a dot of glue if you just want to help secure it. Then fold over a little piece of paper to make the actual tab. And again, staple your string to that. And finally, just use a paper clip that holds it all together. I hope you loved this just as much as I loved doing it the first time. And now decorate at will. Go forth and multiply and decorate. I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!